So personally, if I was in your position, I would choose to study the different types of neural networks. When is it appropriate to use the different neural networks? What is the difference between them? What is the difference between the different types of nodes? So for example, I'm trying to think about my own interviewing when I'm bringing on data scientists to my team. For example, I have a question on what is the dropout rate. If you're working in machine learning, you should instantly have an answer to what is a dropout rate. I also have a question. You have to forgive me because I'm running through my memory here, but I also have a question on LSTM nodes. What is an LSTM node, or why is it different, right? I am 10 times, and I think I'm speaking for other hiring managers here. I know everybody has their own process, but I am 10 times more likely to ask you questions on that than to ask you about, some DSA, right? So I am much more interested in knowing that you are aware of what the tools that are out there and how to properly apply them when you would apply them.